How to animate a timer in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can animate a timer in Canva. First you want to go to create a design and select video. Then you want to search for video templates and you want to search for countdown timer. Select enter. Here are all kinds of templates you can use to create your own timer. Let's say we want to use this one. And as you can see, you can click here on apply all 12 pages and then it will add all the 12 pages into your video. So we're going to click on that. But as you can see now, every frame takes up about 5 seconds. We don't want that. We want it to be 1 second, of course. So you go to the top, you select the timing, you select it on 1 second, apply it to all pages. And now you can see every page is just 1 second. Here you can change the text, Happy New Year. And if you go to the beginning and select the first one, as you can see now, you have animated your own timer. If you want to download it, you can go to the top, you can click on share. Click on download. You want to download this as MP4 video. Click on download, and once it's ready downloading, you have your own animated timer. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.